years din na pinapangarap ko. And hindi lang ako, lahat ng weightlifting community na ma-include ang weightlifting sa parang pambansa.
Just to make sure this goes well, binolunteer yung services na nilibig. Kasi po, imagine wala sa parents ko.
Yes, we volunteer our time, then we propose, then yun nga, nagpasa kami ng proposal sa DepEd. Kasi nag-meet kami ni Senator Sec Angara.
Last year?
Then, yes, last year. Then we made some connections sa Secretariat, then they help us how to do the yung process ng ma-include ang weightlifting sa palarong pambansa. Then, later on, when the palarong pambansa board na naglabas ng memo na ang weightlifting ay as a demo sports na ngayong 2025, ayun, na-realize namin it's not only like we want something, it's not like that, but you have to do the work. Kasi there's 17 in 19 regions. Yeah.
Julius, your point, both of you, of love and nurture.
Para sa akin kasi it's okay. I won the silver. I won the gold in Olympics. But yun nga, sabi ni Julius, what's next? And it's good that I won the gold, but paano ko siya i-dalhin sa baba for the next generation and top to more regions, top to more athletes na sa tingin namin na mas marami pang, alam mo yung kung pupunta ka sa each region, mas marami pang talented athlete na meron dyan. And makikita natin na it's palarong pambansa, it's giving them the opportunity to excel sa weightlifting. Para sa akin napaka-importante. Kasi yung mga bata, may nilook forward na sila. Kasi ang palarong pambansa, hindi lang siya national eh. Kasi may district pa, may provincial, may regional. So, may nilook forward sila. At saka, they will excel in the sports. Kasi pagdating nila dito sa nationals, salang-sala na sila at magagaling na sila.
Yeah.
Actually, athlete pa rin po ako. Mahirap lang nasa kaligitnaan ako ngayon ng being an athlete, then doing small things. I don't know if it's small, but like doing a lot of things for DepEd and spreading the sports. Actually, it makes me happy, fulfilling also, seeing the kids like so determined to lift the weights, and they're so happy. And like I see myself when I started doing weightlifting, so I'm happy to see them so excited to lift the weight and makuha lang yung uniform nila, masaya ako.
With this
I see Philippine weightlifting na marami na kaming participants sa Batang Pinoy, sa palarong pambansa, and we see more quality athletes na maglalaro sa palarong pambansa. Kasi palarong pambansa ay international competition. Kasi dito pa lang may competition na. And we see more also, we can tell na if it is spread already all around Philippines, kahit saan ka pumunta, weightlifting is accessible already.
Olympic gold for weightlifting?
Of course, Olympic gold for weightlifting. Kayang-kaya yan ng Pilipino.